Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth microphone not working on Mac. So if your Bluetooth headset or wireless earbud connected to your Mac but the microphone is not picking your voice, your Mac may still be using the built-in microphone or another connected input device. This is a common issue when multiple microphones are available. Fortunately, you can usually fix this issue by selecting the correct input device and making sure your Bluetooth microphone is active. So if you're facing this problem, first click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to sound. Now under input devices, look for your Bluetooth headset or earbuds in the list of available microphone and click on them to make them the active input device. Next, speak into the microphone and watch the input level monitor. If the monitor moves while you are talking, your Mac is successfully receiving audio from Bluetooth microphone. And if Bluetooth microphone does not appear in the list, disconnect your headset and reconnect it. Wait a few seconds for macOS to detect it and then check the input section again. Once your Bluetooth microphone is selected and the input level meter responds to your voice, supported app like FaceTime, Zoom, Google Meet and voice recording will use Bluetooth microphone automatically. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.